Looking for the best spinning reels of 2024? Whether you're a seasoned angler or just getting started, this video is for you. We've rounded up the top 5 spinning reels that offer the perfect balance of performance, durability, and affordability. From smooth casting to superior drag systems, these reels will elevate your fishing game. Stick around as we review each one in detail to help you find your next go-to reel. Number 5. The KastKing Megatron spinning reel offers a unique blend of power, durability, and advanced design, making it ideal for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Its rigid aluminum skeletal frame ensures strength and longevity, perfect for battling large fish. The standout feature is its sleek, Autobot-inspired design, which reduces weight while maintaining toughness. The 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings provide smooth casting and retrieval, with anti-reverse for precise hook sets. The reel boasts over 30 pounds of carbon fiber drag power, making it capable of handling big-game fish without hesitation. The CNC aluminum spool and handle add to its high-performance appeal, offering precise control. With zinc alloy gears and brass pinion, the reel delivers smooth, reliable performance under tough conditions. Users have praised its sharp look, balanced weight, and durable construction, though some noted it's slightly heavier than expected. The Megatron's ability to perform in saltwater and freshwater, alongside its flawless drag system, makes it a go-to reel for anglers seeking quality and reliability. Overall, this reel is a powerhouse for anglers of all levels, providing professional-level performance at an affordable price. Whether for surf fishing or lake outings, the KastKing Megatron won't disappoint. Number 4. The Daiwa BG 2500 Saltwater Spinning Reel is a durable and high-performing reel ideal for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. Featuring a black anodized machined aluminum housing, it offers rigidity and long-lasting durability. The oversized digigear system, with larger and stronger gears, ensures smooth performance and extends the reel's gear life significantly. With a gear ratio of 5.6 to 1 and a retrieve rate of 33.20 inches per turn, the BG 2500 provides excellent control for various fishing conditions. It features a waterproof drag system with a max drag of 13.20 pounds, allowing you to handle larger fish with ease. The reel is also designed with a braided line-ready spool, and its lightweight aluminum handle adds to its smooth operation. Users have praised the BG 2500 for its top-notch performance, comparable to higher-priced reels. Some found it slightly heavier than expected for its size, but its solid construction and reliable drag make it a popular choice for inshore fishing. The BG series also includes models for bigger game, like the 8000, which has proven effective for catching large fish such as sharks. Overall, the Daiwa BG 2500 offers exceptional value and reliability for serious anglers. Number 3. The Garcia Revo SX Spinning Fishing Reel combines precision engineering with performance, making it a versatile choice for anglers. Equipped with 8 stainless steel HPCR bearings and 1 roller bearing, the reel ensures smooth operation and durability. Its asymmetrical body design and V-rotor not only enhance balance, but also reduce weight, making it easy to handle during long fishing sessions. One of its standout features is the Rocket Line Management System, designed to optimize casting distance and line control, regardless of the fishing line type, including fluorocarbon. The V-spool design further aids in casting accuracy and reduces friction. The stainless steel handle adds strength and comfort, while the sleek gray color and modern design make it visually appealing. Users love its performance, particularly for catching bass. One reviewer mentioned that it performed exceptionally well, helping them reel in multiple fish, and they plan to continue using it on larger lakes. Another user appreciated the quality so much that they bought a second one for another rod setup, comparing its reliability to everyday essentials. Whether you're a casual weekend angler or a seasoned pro, the Garcia Revo SX Spinning Reel offers smooth, reliable performance and advanced features at an affordable price, making it a great addition to any fishing setup. Number 2. The Penn Spinfisher 6 Spinning Fishing Reel is a high-performance reel built for durability and strength, especially in saltwater environments. Its IPX5 sealed aluminum spool and all-metal body protect it from corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use. With precision CNC gear technology, it delivers smooth operation, retrieving 33 inches of line per crank at a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. The reel is also equipped with 5 stainless steel ball bearings and an instant anti-reverse bearing, contributing to its flawless performance. One of its standout features is the HT100 drag system, which utilizes carbon fiber washers to provide up to 15 pounds of drag, allowing anglers to tackle big fish without difficulty. The Superline spool makes attaching braided lines easy, while the automatic and manual bail trip, depending on the size, adds convenience. Users praise its performance, with one reviewer landing various species such as cod, haddock, and stripers, noting its excellent casting ability even with heavier baits and weights. Another reviewer compared it to Shimano and Daiwa reels, appreciating the Penn Spinfisher VI's robust build and reliable handling of larger catches. Though heavier than some competitors due to its aluminum body, this reel is designed for heavy-duty use and maintains smooth operation over time. The Penn Spinfisher 6 is an excellent choice for anglers seeking power, precision, and durability in challenging fishing conditions. Number 1. The Shimano Stratic FL Ambidextrous front brake reel is a standout in the spinning reel market, offering exceptional performance for both freshwater and saltwater anglers. Weighing 12.3 ounces, the reel combines lightweight design with the strength needed for tough fishing conditions. Its G-free body technology shifts the reel's center of gravity closer to the rod, making it more comfortable and reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. The 6.0 to 1 gear ratio ensures a smooth and powerful retrieve, while the stainless steel bearings provide durability and lasting performance. Users rave about the Stratic FL, highlighting its smooth operation, solid frame, and strong drag system. One reviewer noted that they sold their Penn Spinfisher reels after switching to the Stratic FL, praising its smoothness, lightness, and strength. Another reviewer paired it with a Shimano Corrado rod, emphasizing how well-built and reliable the reel feels. The reel's durability and precision make it a great choice for saltwater fishing, withstanding harsh conditions while maintaining top-tier performance. The power handle, especially on the 5000 series, enhances control and comfort. If you're looking for a premium reel that balances lightweight design with strength and reliability, the Shimano Stratic FL is a top contender and a favorite among serious anglers. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best spinning reels of 2024. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect reel for your next fishing adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fishing gear reviews and tips. Drop a comment below to let us know your favorite spinning reel, and check out the links in the description for more details. Tight lines,